Somnia coin is one of those projects people are going to look back on and say, I had the chance. And that regret could be costly. From the very start, Somnia came into the market strong. Unlike many projects that struggle to gain recognition, Somnia quickly achieved something most tokens can only dream of, a listing on Binance. That alone should tell you this project is on a different level. But here's the key point. Despite the Binance listing and strong community growth, Somnia is still undervalued. The trading volume shows clear interest, yet the price does not reflect the true potential of this project. That gap is where the real opportunity lies. Now let's talk about the fundamentals. Somnia isn't just a token, it's an EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain built for real-time, mass consumer applications. We're talking about gaming, social platforms, the metaverse, and DeFi. Its MultiStream architecture allows it to process over 1 million transactions per second with sub-second finality. That's faster and more scalable than most blockchains on the market today. Add in compiled EVM bytecode execution, IceDB for low-latency data access, and advanced compression, and you have a network that's not only fast, but also highly efficient and cost-effective. This is real utility, real scalability, and real adoption potential. When you combine strong technology, a Binance listing, undervaluation, and growing trading volume, you get a project that's positioned for explosive growth. So the choice is simple. You can ignore Somnia now and risk being one of the people saying, I should have bought when I had the chance. Or you can recognize the opportunity early and avoid that regret. Because the truth is this, you will regret not buying Somnia coin. Why Somnia's price is up 23.32% in the past 24 hours. First, I need to look through all the provided data and news articles to find relevant factors. Starting with the price data, the 24 hours increase is significant, and the trading volume spiked by 600%, which suggests high activity. The market cap also increased by the same percentage as the price, so it's likely driven by actual trading rather than just supply changes. Looking at the news, there's a mention of a partnership with ZNS Connect from earlier in September, but that might be a bit old. More recent news from September 18th talks about Tristan Thompson launching a basketball fan platform on Somnia. That could be a driver since it's a high-profile partnership and brings real-world use cases. The platform's upcoming reveal at Korea Blockchain Week on September 23rd might have generated hype. There's also news about the mainnet launch on September 2nd, which was a big event, but that's almost a month old. However, ongoing developments like the basketball platform and upcoming events could still be influencing the price. I hope you now understand the reason for Somnia pump. Now let's get into the full discussion of Somnia coin.
On September 2nd, the blockchain built to connect the world officially comes online. Built for speed, fueled by scale.
Blockchain Somnia.
Somnia.
Somnia. Somnia.
Somnia. Somnia's mainnet and native token Somi are here. Somnia is engineered to support mass consumer applications such as gaming, social platforms, and decentralized finance, capable of over 1 million transactions per second with sub-second finality and fees under a penny.
So super cheap and super fast.
It's not theoretical. It's already processed over 2 billion testnet transactions.
Frankly, has our entire business behind it.
MultiStream consensus for parallel scalability. Compiled EVM for C++ level performance. IceDB for nanosecond read-write speeds. Streaming compression for lightning fast sync. This is infrastructure purpose-built for real-time, interactive, on-chain experiences.
The fact that nobody did after 10 years of waiting is what's pushed us to the point where we just need to move forward and make this happen.
Somnia's testnet wasn't quiet. Projects like Chunked, Maelstrom, Variants, and more push the network to its limits, powering tens of millions of daily transactions. With 70+ projects already live and more on the way, the mainnet will go live running.
So we are big believers in this because we believe this will make more applications faster.
Somnia has raised $151.5 million from his partners, supported by Google Cloud as validator and infrastructure partner, and integrated with leaders like OpenSea, QuickSwap, and Layer 0. Somnia isn't just launching, it's accelerating.
We're serious about making this work, and we think this is necessary. Otherwise, we're never going to get to the metaverse.
A $270 million ecosystem fund, Dreamathon, Dream Catalyst Accelerator, and grants for builders means Somnia is ready for developers looking to build on something bigger, faster, and smarter.
We will beat the market every single alt EVM chain to mainnet.
September 2nd, token launch, mainnet ignition. Somnia is live. The future of real-time on-chain computing starts now.